What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We have this interesting question that says that find the value of y given that y minus 4 is equal to y. Well, I'm going to be using two methods to solve this question. So we start with the first method. So we call this the method 1. For our first method, we have to square both sides. So the left hand side I have y minus 4. I'll square the left hand side. This is equal to the right hand side I have y. I'll also square the right hand side. Now the left hand side is of the form a minus b all squared. And this has an identity of a squared minus 2 times a times b plus b squared. Well, we can compare. Our a here represents y, and then our b represents 4. So now let's write this expression in this form. Here we have a squared, so that will be y squared, then minus 2 times a times b, that is minus 2 times y times 4, that will be 8y, and then plus b squared, so that will be 4 squared, which is 16. Very good. And this is equal to y squared. Now notice something. I have y squared on the left hand side. I also have y squared on the right hand side, so they can cancel out. Now leaving behind negative 8y plus 16 equal to 0. Now let's move 16 to the right hand side. So we have negative 8y equal to, as 16 crosses to the right, it becomes negative 16. Now to get the value of y, we just have to divide both sides by negative 8. So I'll divide the left hand side by negative 8. I'll divide the right hand side by negative 8. Now notice that negative 8 cancels out negative 8 from the left hand side, leaving behind y to be equal to, now the right hand side, this negative cancels out this negative. So 16 divided by 8, we have 2. Very good. Now let's try out something. Let's check. The value of y we got from here is 2. So when I put 2 here in place of y minus 4, this is equal to y, value of y we have is 2. Now wash, 2 minus 4 is negative 2 on the left hand side. And the right hand side we have 2. Now negative 2 cannot be equal to 2. So this is not possible. So since it is not possible, we can say the value of y is 2. So this is wrong. Now let's see if our second method will give us the correct answer. Now for our second method, let's call this method 2. For method 2, we have to subtract y from both sides. So the left hand side we have y minus 4 equal to the right hand side we have y. Now subtract y from both sides. I'll subtract y from the left. I'll also subtract y from the right. So this results to y minus y is 0. I have negative 4 here, so I have to drop that down. This is equal to y minus y is 0. On the left hand side, 0 minus 4 is minus 4. And this is equal to the right hand side, which is 0. Now notice that negative 4 is not equal to 0. It is not possible. So since it is not possible, we can't say that the value, in fact, we can't even find the value of y. Imagine asking us to find the value of y, but y is missing. So how can we find what is missing? it isn't possible. So we don't have any solution for y. If you've tried solving this and you could not find a solution for y, it is not your fault. There is no actual solution for y. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.